This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the video ends, you watch another video and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you watch this video to the end and I show you how to optimize your Blender scene and make it run smoother.
The first tip is to use Passepartout. Passepartout is a feature in Blender that allows you to disable render visibility for objects that are not in the camera view. This means that Blender won't waste time rendering objects that won't appear in your final image. You can do this on your viewport by pressing Ctrl+B, and to exit, Ctrl+Alt+B. By using Passepartout, you can reduce the render time and make your scene run faster. This is especially useful for complex scenes with many objects. Our second tip is to hide unused models. Sometimes you might have models in your scene that you don't need to see while working on your project. You can hide these models by selecting them and pressing the H key. And to make it visible, press Alt+H. By hiding used models, you can reduce the load on your GPU and make your scene run smoother. Our third tip is to reduce the number of samples in your scene. Samples determine the quality of the final render, but they also impact the render time. By reducing the number of samples, you can speed up your render time. You can also turn on Denoise to compensate for the reduced number of samples. Denoise is a feature that removes noise from your render and makes it look smoother. By reducing the number of samples and turning on Denoise, you can achieve a faster render time without sacrificing quality. Our fourth tip is to export your scene in GLTF/GLB or USDZ format. These formats are designed for web and mobile applications and are optimized for fast loading and rendering. By exporting in these formats and re-importing the compressed files, you can make your scene run faster. Our fifth and final tip is to use images as planes. Image as planes is a Blender add-on that allows you to import an image as a flat plane instead of a 3D model. This can be useful for adding background images or textures that don't need to be 3D. By using images as planes, you can reduce the number of polygons in your scene and make it run faster. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope you found these tips helpful.